our stakes in place and our kit assembled, we're going to backfill 6 inches. If you would like to do jump compaction, you need to stay away from the edge of the kit. At least that far, 6 inches, so that you don't press the bottom of the kit in. Okay, now that we've got the back compaction done, now we need to cut an edge for sod around the kit. So we do that by cutting 1 inch of dirt away from the edge of the kit. Okay, now that we've finished our final grading and cut our 1 inch margin for sod, we fabric the inside of this kit. The reason we fabriced it was to keep the weeds down. This particular customer wanted fabric and wanted rock in the bottom of their kit. It just kind of cleans things up a little bit. All right, now that we've put the fabric and the gravel in, now we're going to assemble our tramp kit. Okay, now we've attached the jump mat and the springs to the frame.